How to troubleshoot Google Voice calling or SMS problems. First of all, open the Google Voice app on your device and make sure you are signed in with your Google account. If you are having trouble making calls or sending text, start by checking your internet connection. Google Voice requires a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection to work properly. Next, go to the app settings and check if your Google Voice number is properly linked and active. Sometimes signing out and signing back in can fix minor glitches. If calls aren't connecting, try clearing the app cache from your device settings. On some devices, you can do this by going to Apps, selecting Google Voice and tapping Clear Cache. For SMS issues, ensure that your Google Voice number is set as the default messaging app or default SMS service in your phone setting. If you are still facing problems, check if there are any app updates available in your device app store and install them. Outdated apps can cause calling or texting errors. You can also restart your phone to refresh system processes that might be interfering with Google Voice. If all fails, uninstall and reinstall the Google Voice app. This often resolves deeper software conflict. Finally, visit the Google Voice Help Center online or contact Google support for persistent issues. Now you know how to troubleshoot Google Voice calling or SMS problems. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.